I'm going to be showing you how to draw and send a doodle within an Instagram chat. So what you're going to do is that open the Instagram application. Okay, now go to the chat that you want to send the doodle. Okay, now when you go in the Instagram chat, yes, another thing I want you to notice, I want you to make sure that you have Instagram application update. Okay, you go to the Google Play Store, update the Instagram up to latest version, then proceed. Now, when you open the chat with which you want to draw and send a doodle, you're going to see a plus option in the right lower aspect of the screen right here, right there. Now, when you tap the plus, you actually see these options: location, saved replies, AI images, draw. Tap the draw option right here. Now, when you tap the draw option, I want us to notice the following. On your side here, you can actually see this part where you can actually move up, down. Now notice the change in this pencil size, the thickness of that dot that keeps on increasing. Okay, now that is the size or the thickness of the pencil that you're actually going to use to doodle on your screen. Now in the lower part, you actually see the colors shown here. Okay, you see there's the gray, blue, green, orange, and all those colors. So you can actually select the preference of the color of the doodle. Okay, so let's choose blue. Now you notice that when you swipe up, the thickness changes of the blue dot. You see that right there. Now upmost here, you see the following. You see this. So this one, use it when you actually want to do something and it ends with an arrow. You see that? Okay. Now, if you want to undo any action that you do, you can actually tap the undo option right here in the left lower aspect of your screen right here. Then that one does the undoing. Then the next one is this one. Okay, you can see this is how it looks like if you're drawing. You see that? Okay, decide back to undo. Okay, now all these are the available penciling options, the doodling options up here. Then the eraser is this last one. Okay, let me show you. So you do something like this and you want to erase, you tap right there, and then you can actually erase, okay, whatever is actually there. Or you can actually decide to undo right here. Okay, and then the action is undone. Now to doodle, okay, I'm going to actually use a heart. Select the pencil, you can use this one right here, and the color we selected, blue. I'm going to draw a heart. Okay, so do this. Okay, that is what I have drawn. Okay, so we're done. Then if you want to send it, you have to see the right lower aspect, the send option, tap right there, and you have actually sent the doodle. And that is how you can actually draw and send a doodle in an Instagram chat. Subscribe if you pick value in the video.